In this video I will show you how to create such social media posters using AI. Open your browser and search for bing.com. Go to Images. Click on Create. Type your prompt here. Click on Create. These are some results. You can download the images from here. Now we will change character from boy to girl. Make that changes and prompt accordingly. Here are some results. That's it. These are some other images generated. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.